Let's go back to nutrition a little bit. And doctor, can you talk about vegetables? And you mentioned different properties of vegetables. Can you explain?
Vegetables are a rich soup of phytochemicals. Phyto means plant, chemical. And so what we have is there's roughly 20,000 different carotenoids, 800 different bioflavonoids, and these are accessory pigments with chlorophyll in photosynthesis. So they allow the plant to capture energy from the sun and bring it into glucose. So they protect the plant in the process of photosynthesis. Those chemicals become our protectors in our body. They're not only protecting the plant from the sun, and they're protecting the plant from fungal or pesticide invasions, they're protecting our own cells. So for instance, resveratrol is a substance that's found in the skin of grapes. We now find that it's actually there to help protect the grape against fungal infections. And in doing so, if we consume this in grape juice, a tiny bit in red wine, it's in other foods, that our cells are afforded the same protection that the plant was trying to get from its adversaries. So throughout nature, there's this ongoing war of trying to survive. And we can eat those survival tools and enhance our ability to beat cancer. So, for instance, lycopenes in tomatoes, which are also in watermelon and in other red produce. Ellagic acid, which is in dark berries. Ellagic acid is in blueberries, blackberries, red raspberries, and so it's that dark pigment.
Okay.
What they find is ellagic acid induces apoptosis, or programmed cell death. It causes the cancer cell to commit suicide. Because one of the problems with cancer cells is they're immortal. They forget to die. Our normal healthy cells have a lifespan and then they die. Apoptosis, programmed cell death. The cancer cell forgets that. Ellagic acid from dark berries reintroduces suicide into cancer cells' patterns. We're finding all kinds of chemicals that it wasn't until very recently that we had the analytical equipment to say, what's in that food? Why is it that we have known for centuries that a person who ate a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables had a lower risk for getting cancer, and if they got cancer, it was more likely to help them beat the cancer? Now we're being able to look with some very sensitive analytical equipment to say, oh, indole 3-carbinol, silvestriol, this is some phenomenal chemical soup that are biological response modifiers that help our body to beat cancer with no collateral damage. That's the beauty. The risk to benefit to cost ratio of these substances is overwhelmingly in favor of using clinical nutrition with cancer patients.